All right, hello YouTube. Give me just a moment to get the stream set up live on the site, thebarcelonatrader.com. All right, hello YouTube.
Whoa, you need to
Give
turn
me
that
just a
down.
moment to get the
Feedback?
stream set up live on
does
the
that work?
site,
Okay, here we go. Over
thebarcelonatrader.com.
here. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that.
Okay, now what am I doing? I needed to get this live on the site. Here we go. Okay, now the stream is live on the site. I'm going to be putting up the latest analysis also, but I don't think I'll do that on this stream. I'll figure out how that's going to go up on the site later. But you will see the latest analysis on YouTube if you go to our YouTube page. Probably the most recent video most of the time is going to be the analysis. But since we're here and we're debuting the analysis, we're going to watch it right here on the screen. So let me minimize this here and let's go. Here's the analysis.
Welcome to the Barcelona Trader. This is Daniel with your session analysis for Monday, July 21st, 2025 at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, covering the Asia session for spot gold and gold futures. We'll break down the fundamentals, market sentiment, key levels, and the setups we're watching, so you can enter the session with confidence and precision. If you're new here, we trade live every day using a high discipline, precision scalping strategy. You can learn the full system and get AI coaching at thebarcelonatrader.com. Join us live on YouTube, Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and again in the evenings, Monday through Thursday from 7:45 to 9:15 p.m. We're also live streaming on Sundays from 6 to 9 p.m. And if you want real-time coaching and direct interaction with Mike and Tono, hop into our Zoom room. Let's dive into tonight's setup. Gold is parked around $33.99, with futures at $34.13. Quiet, but not for long. Japan's ruling party just lost upper house control, which has strengthened the yen and pressured the dollar. Combine that with nervous global markets and a fast-approaching US-EU tariff deadline, and it's clear. Safe haven demand is quietly warming up. Treasury yields are stable around 4.38%, but the direction earlier was up. The dollar index is stuck in sideways drift. And the VIX, that trusty fear gauge, is slowly rising, now at 1665. On the sentiment side, it's looking gold positive. FX Blue has gold strength now at plus 6.0, while the US dollar is limping in at minus 1.9. We've also got a trifecta of US economic data coming: durable goods, PMI, and multiple Fed speakers. Anything dovish or soft could be the push gold needs. Anything hawkish, and we'll have to flip the script. Now let's talk key levels and pivots. We're working a range defined by the daily pivot at 33.96 and the daily DM3 at 33999.06, which also lines up beautifully with the weekly WM4 at 3398.03. If price can get above that 3299 zone and hold, we're watching for a clean breakout toward daily resistance 1 at 341.16. If momentum follows, the stretch target is daily DM4 at 3427.34. On the downside, 3080 is your first meaningful support. A break below it could set up a move toward daily DM2 at 3370.79, and if things unwind further, toward the monthly MPP at 3334.76. Unlikely, but we trade what's real, not what's romantic. Here's how we're playing it. If gold opens the session above 3400, we'll be watching for a pullback and retest, using the 10-second chart to spot momentum. A clean hold gives us a shot at 34.17 and maybe even 34.27 if volume comes in and the fundamentals align. If we open below 30,398, especially if we see a fake-out pop and a rejection, we'll look for a short entry back down to 33.80 and potentially a follow-through to 33.71. As always, we're watching the 10-second price action. No clean breaks, no clean entries. This is scalping, not story time. Stay nimble if US data hits mid-session. A surprise dovish print could ignite a push through the highs. Hawkish tones. Don't be a hero, fade the bounce, and protect capital. To wrap it up, we're sitting in a gold-friendly environment, but price hasn't chosen a side yet. The battle is right at the WM4 and DM3 zone around 33.98 to 3400. That's the battlefield. Whether it's a breakout or a rejection, we'll be there with levels mapped, rules locked in, and discipline dialed up. As always, trade sharp, don't chase, and let the pivots do the talking. We'll see you in the stream. Please remember to like and subscribe and to hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever we publish new content and analyses like this. Thanks for tuning in.
All right, there we go.
Want to trade? Good, man. Can you hear me?
Hey, Tono. Yes, I can hear you. I was sitting here talking to everybody, and nobody could hear me. I was on mute.
Okay. So I'm watching the you wanted me to watch that video, right?
Yeah.
It looks good.
You know, it's not there. The charts that it's talking about are not in the video. You have to kind of listen to it while looking at your own chart. But
Right.
the narrative is there.
Okay, yeah, it looks good. Yeah. How'd you make
All
out
right.
today?
I broke even. I quit shortly after you left.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. It really didn't move until where was it? Where was the movement? Huh. Well, I guess it did kind of go up the entire New York session, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that first move up, you know, was really dicey. We didn't trade in there because of all the chop and all of the you know, it was right around the DPP and the
Right, we were stuck in that little zone,
yeah,
but then I guess it cleared.
yeah,
But it only went up to what today? It went up to what, like
about
30,
3,400.
34?
About
Well,
30,
yeah. And we were like at
yeah.
97 or something, weren't we?
No, we were at where were we? We were at 90, 89, 90.
Oh, really? Okay, 90. All right.
Yep. And now it's looking like it wants to go up, but I'm looking at that big resistance on the daily pivot.
Right.
And also we're in the middle of it on the weekly pivot. So it's not looking too promising there.
Yes, only did 2 pips since the open, so it doesn't look like
Yeah.
much is happening. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah.
2 pips
Yeah.
is nothing. You know,
Right.
it's basically stalled out completely. We
Yeah.
normally see more than this by 7 o'clock, after 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
this is really tight. We're right at the top of the market and only did what, 2 pip, two and a half, not even 2.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's concerning. Yeah. Hey, do me a favor. I'm not very good with Tradeovate.
Okay.
Can you figure out how to create the chart that we use on Tradeovate?
Ooh, I haven't tried that.
You haven't tried it either,
Uh,
huh?
no, like, what do you mean the chart that we use?
Well, you know how our charts have at the bottom. Let me just I'll take a snapshot and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let me know when you got that.
Okay, I see that.
So you see how it has the symbol on the left corner,
Yeah.
then it has the net, then it has bought, sold, net profit,
Yeah.
open P&L, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
Margin, all of that stuff. I just tried to give that to E-Man and I could not figure out how to get it to work, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I'll give it a shot, but I don't even use it because it doesn't, it's like clunky and it doesn't, I just rather keep it on a trading view and MT4. And I only use my Tradeovate screen for the buy and sell and the exit buttons.
So hold on a second. You only use Tradeovate for the buy and sell buttons?
Yeah.
So how are you managing your P&L?
So I have TradeZella hooked up to Tradeovate. And after I place the trade, I just hit refresh on TradeZella and it imports it into TradeZella and I can see all my data there.
No, I mean when the trade is running live, where do you look at it at?
When I click buy, because I'm also logged into one of my accounts on Tradeovate on TradingView, as soon as I click buy, I can see on TradingView it marks the level exactly where I got in, and I can watch the P&L on one of my accounts on TradingView, even though I'm copy trading several accounts. And then when I click exit on Tradeovate, it exits on TradingView.
You know, let me try that. Let me try that. Oh, so you're running your P&L on TradingView
Yeah.
at the
I
bottom.
mean, I watch my trading, I watch my P&L per trade on TradingView. Yeah.
On TradingView. Okay. Let me make sure I'm on the right thing. 7:30, 7:30. Right. All right. I never thought about doing that. All right. So in other words, if I place a trade on Tradeovate, it'll open up on TradingView.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yep.
Wow. Okay. I'll try that. I'll try that tonight. So now I'm logged in. Okay.
Just make sure that the account that you're logged in on TradingView is in the group that you're trading on Tradeovate.
Well, hold on a second. How do I find that out?
So you go down, if you're on my screen, you see my screen?
Yeah.
Right down here where it says Tradeovate and the account number, you have a drop down that you can choose the account.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's correct.
Look at that, it says we're going up.
Let's take a look and see. I'm not in a rush because the 5 minute is jammed up.
Yeah.
and the 15-minute is jammed up
Yep.
with resistance.
Yep.
And the fact that it didn't go past okay. Look at the fake out. See it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Just a fake out. Wanting people to just make a move. I'm the only thing that I don't have down yet for this whole course is I want to find an easier way for them to be able to get the indicators and templates.
Mm-hmm.
Can you put some thought to that? Because
The
that
easier
Google
way.
Drive seems to be a little bit complicated.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Um, yeah, let me think about that.
Because the way I just did the course is so simple that the way it's organized now is completely self-sufficient. All except for the actual downloading of the indicators and the templates. That's the only thing I think people might still have issue with.
Right, and that's on MT4, right?
That's an MT4, yeah.
And what you're currently offering is for them to grab it from your Google Drive.
Yeah, I have a Google Drive set up. So they get a link, they click on the link, takes them to Google Drive.
Yep.
They download it from Google Drive. It's because it's so much. You got to download all the
Yeah.
indicators.
Yeah.
You got to know where to put the indicators in MT4. Then you got to
Yeah.
go back and have all the templates. You got to know where to put the templates in MT4. It
Yeah.
seems a little bit complicated for a novice without anybody to talk to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like the template, the chart templates all there, but they still have to get the data in to the MT4 for the chart templates to populate.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You're supposed to be helping me with that, man.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What are we doing now? We're going down?
Yeah.
This is what I thought we were gonna do because there ain't no room to go up. So,
Yeah.
but now we're coming back down into the
The DM3.
DM3 and the WM4.
M4, yeah.
Still, that was a trade. That was good.
I got a major expense coming up now. My wife is out messing around with the landscaping,
Oh,
and she had this it's like a little chainsaw, but it's really small, about only this big,
yeah.
and she was cutting some of the shrubbery at the bottom. She cut into a major wire
Oh,
that was hidden behind shrubbery
oh.
that was
This
coming
is a
out of the
cell.
ground.
This is a cell.
Yeah, it looks like a cell. But let it break 97. Let it break the WM4 first.
That's it. What do you think?
Just a
No?
little more. It's coming up on the support on the 1-minute Hakanashi and on the 5-minute Hakanashi. And the Rinko is stopped at those little support lines, which it looks like it's going to break, but it's just not doing it yet. So I wouldn't be too quick. Now maybe. Yeah, it's breaking through. Yeah.
Motherfucker. Just take the 30 because it was like bouncing.
I think it'll give you more than that.
I don't know. It's looking pretty overextended now. It's coming up on a bull volume here on the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, you got something out of it, you know.
Yeah.
They're both gold and dollar pretty weak right now.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm in now.
Where'd you get in?
I'm in at 34.10, so I'm at $80.
Ah, shit. I'm at 140 negative.
I just lost my my $80. Now I'm $40 negative. It's all right. I'm gonna hold it. I think it's coming back down. I'm off tonight. I've hit the buy button, set a sell twice already.
Jesus Christ. Well, I don't know why we got into this.
I think it's coming down. How much are you negative?
200.
200 really already?
Yeah.
All right, it's coming. Here we go. Where'd you get in?
3408.6.
Okay, it's coming down. Coming into a bull. Are you in profit yet?
No, I'm 60 negative.
I'm 110. I think I'll take it.
50
I'll take
negative.
it.
40 negative. 30
I'll
negative.
get back in now. It's bull volume on 10-second.
Maybe I'll take this loss, 60.
That's a lot though. I still think it's coming down.
Wow. What do you think it's going to do?
I think it's going to come back down because it looks like that's what it wants to do now. You know, we were up at 3,400. We're down to 34, 33, 34. You know what I mean?
Maybe you think it's going to come down before it goes up?
Yeah, I mean, it should play within this little zone like it just did. At least get you out of the 3408. I don't see it. I just don't see it pushing through the 15-minute pivot, 15-minute Hakinashi. You see that chart?
Yeah.
See how it's not closed? The candle closes in 1 minute, and it just doesn't seem like it can push through it. I mean, it could, but it just doesn't seem like it. Seems like it wants to come down. Just needs a little momentum behind it. How much you negative running?
130, 120.
Okay.
It's upsetting because I shouldn't have gotten in. It didn't look right to me, and
And you got in?
yeah, I got in late.
I got in at 34. What was it? 38,
10.
10, and you got
Yeah.
in right under me.
At 08.
So I had already had my profit. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
Where you got
Come
in.
on. Come on. Now I'm 180 negative.
I would hold steady on it just for a second, man. That was the candle, the 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
So it opened down. Rinko was trying to point down.
No, it's not.
Let's see what it wants to do.
It's trying to go up.
There's a resistance on the 1 second, 10-second chart. Hold on a second. Is this a 1 second chart? On the 1 second chart that's holding it.
I don't
Going
trust
up.
that.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's breaking it. And now it's holding it. It can go either way, man. I still think it's coming down though. You got out?
Yeah.
Maybe you should trade your Top Step account at night. You know what I mean?
No.
Huh?
No.
hear about Malcolm Jamal Warner?
What's that?
You hear about Malcolm Jamal Warner?
No.
You know who he is, right?
Yeah.
He died today, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he drowned in Costa Rica.
Oh, wow.
Like 54, I think, 52, 54. It's crazy, right?
Wow.
Yeah. My wife was saying, I haven't seen Frank, my next door neighbor, in like a couple of months. I said, you know what? I haven't seen his car out there either, right? I see his wife's car, but I don't see him.
Yeah.
And then I saw her walking a dog the other day, which they never had a dog. So when I went out to see what my wife did to the electric thing, she came out with a dog. I said, hey, I haven't seen Frank. She said, oh, he passed away. I'm like,
Oh
man,
my God.
it's like, wow.
Wow.
That's the downside of living in a 55 and over community.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see a lot of people just, you know. But man, to die and drown in Costa Rica is ridiculous. Well, you lucky you got out, but it definitely went up. Did you watch the movie Sinners yet?
No.
Gotta check it out.
No. Okay.
It's on HBO, I think.
All right. Sinners.
Excuse me. just stay still for a minute.
So we're hedged there at 91, right?
Yeah.
Um,
We're a little, we just have to wait for the turn. Hopefully you don't do it over the London session.
Right.
How much swap do you owe on it right now?
Let's see. 250.80.
And how much profit are you in?
72.45.
I'm almost tempted to tell you to get out and put a new one in. You know what I mean?
What's that?
I'm almost tempted to tell you to close it
Yeah.
and just replace a pending somewhere.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So we don't miss it if it goes down in the London session.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I would do that. So the high is let me see what the high was. So the high is 3402. I think that would probably be a good spot to put it.
Like a 3403 or so.
Yeah. Because it still has to break the DM3 and at 33.99 and the WM4 at 33.97, which is having a hard time doing. I mean, hopefully it doesn't trigger it if we start to go back down again.
All right, so I should close it now.
Yeah, just take the profit off of it. Yeah.
All right, it's only $40 now. It was 70 a minute ago.
Yeah, just take the profit.
I took it.
Plus, it helps with your brain not to see those heavy swap fees.
Yeah. Thinking about maybe another sell here if it breaks this full volume
Yeah.
on the one.
I'm thinking about it too.
But we've got another support here on the 1 minute Hakanashi.
Thinking to press through that. That support is right now on the Hakana 1 minute is 33.93. So let's see if it pushes through it. I believe it's below the support on the 5 minute. There's no real momentum behind anything.
Closed the 8 o'clock candle just a minute ago.
Didn't do much, right?
No, but it might be reacting a bit late. It looks like it's coming down. Might just be my wishful thinking.
No, I think it's coming down, man. Well, it's not wishful thinking. We went up to 34.4. We're down 6 pips, so it's not going up. it's coming down, man.
Right. Probably gonna get in.
All right. You're in already?
Yeah. Did I get in too early?
I think so. But you know what? I'm confident enough. I'll ride with you.
It showed me $20 in profit, but I didn't take it.
Second.
I'm 50 negative, 20 negative, 10
30
negative.
negative.
But I'm just gonna took 40. Could have taken a bit more, I guess, but still in.
I'm in. I'm $10 negative. $30 negative. Gotta keep hope alive. Not worth trading right now, but if I get out with a couple bucks, I'll get out. No momentum to really be trading right now.
Couldn't have taken that.
Hmm.
I'm thinking about walking away for a few minutes because I'm still upset about that loss earlier, which I felt like I shouldn't have gotten into, and then I got into it, and then
That's
I held
good.
it too long.
Yeah, I mean, how much did you lose on it?
I lost 210 on it. I just made 30 back,
Right.
but I'm down 150 for the session, which I want to make up this session if I can, but I don't want to force it. I don't want to be emotionally, trapped. So I might
Just
stand
took
up and walk
40
up.
off of that trade.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, if you need to walk away, clear your head, walk away, and
Yeah.
you might want to just close it down for the night. Don't try to make it back. Make it back on the day trades.
Well, let's kind of
No
see what
good.
happens. If it pushes below the swing low, you're on the 1 minute, right? It's got
But then there's a bull volume right under it.
Yeah, but it's got a little ways to go for that. That's 200 or 300 bucks there.
On what? The 1 minute
Yeah,
trading view chart?
yeah. From 91 to 88.
Hold on, what are you looking at?
I see the bull volume at 33.88.
Hold on a second. Okay, right. But on the futures chart, there's a swing low at 44.5. Still 2 pips. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I don't see us on this 10-second.
on the 1 minute.
So I don't have the 1 minute futures chart up.
Yeah, it's there's a support right now at 34.0, really 7 on the 10-second. I mean, it could work.
Yeah. Did you also unhedge?
Yes. I just have the 33.42 now that I gotta worry about getting out of. I had to spend about 30 minutes with Rock today on his account.
Yeah, how's he doing?
He had it jammed up pretty bad
Yeah.
because he's going after those pips religiously,
Yeah.
and he gets them. Remember, he says, I get my 13 pips, I got my 15 pips, I got my 10 pips.
Yeah.
But it's like sacrificing all his pawns to do it.
Oh,
You know what I
yeah.
mean?
Mhm.
So at the end of the day, he's calculating, he's accumulating the positive pips, but he's actually giving away,
Giving it back in equity with
giving it back in equity. Exactly.
Yeah.
So I had to close like maybe 6 trades, man, that he had running. He had like more than that running,
Oh, wow.
you know. I had to show him, listen, man, you know, when you have these winning trades, these pips, they give you those endorphins goes off in your brain and makes you feel great.
Yeah.
But you got to look at your equity,
Yeah.
because it's all about equity. Protection of equity comes first, even before profit. You know,
Mhm.
protect your
Mhm.
equity.
So I'm hoping that if I do these video analyses like I sent you,
Yes.
that they can start catching on YouTube, you know, as analysis that people want for their own trading, whether they're working with us or not, and that little by little like starts bringing people in too.
Starts bringing them in. So you already posted that?
I posted that one on a couple of LinkedIn groups that have to do with trading and on one Facebook group that has to do with trading.
Okay.
Could just, you know, before I'm just trying to figure out, you know, what the natural flow of traders is out there. And this is a good month to do it in. And, you know, if we start getting people watching us here on YouTube, or we start getting people coming to my site and signing up for the articles and for the analyses and that sort of thing, you know, that kind of gives me an idea that, okay, there are people out there that are interested in, like, our offering is good. I
Right.
want to make sure that our offering is good before I start trying to pile people into it and then find out the hard way that my offering is good, and then I will already have blown my wad.
Right. Right. I still think you shouldn't give it away for free. You know what I
The
mean?
course, the course.
Not the course. The course you can give away for free, right?
Yeah.
I'm talking about access to the channel. You have a
Oh,
paid version and then the 10-second delay or 50-second delay on the free one, right?
yeah, yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think you should give it to them.
Well, for now, there is absolutely nobody watching it for free. Zero.
Yeah. Also,
So,
I went to the site today. Go to the site where you got their free course
yeah.
and don't say I'm giving it to them. Say, listen, I worked out a deal with my partner, Tono. I'm giving you access to the free course.
Oh,
It's something you're giving them. You
okay.
know what I mean?
Uh,
So they thinking so I want them to think that you're giving them a solid, so they should be coming back to you
yeah.
and getting something from you. You know what I mean?
Right. 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 Gonna come down here? What's going on? It's not making up its mind.
It's not doing anything. And you could actually say, hey, listen, I did, I spoke with my Tono, my mentor, or whatever, and for limited time, I'm going to give you free access to the course on me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that builds a bond that, hey, you gave them something for free. They like
Yeah.
you. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
This guy must be all right. He's giving me, and if they go to mine and I'm charging, then they know that you actually gave it to them for free.
Right.
Something of
Right.
value. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Right.
People
Right.
appreciate that. They trust you. You'll build trust with them. And I'm feeling really good about the new course, the way it looks, the
Yeah.
way it's set up now.
That's
You know what
great.
I mean?
Uh-huh.
I just finished I actually it has 12 modules. Only 10 of them deal with trading. The first two is like the empty force setup and the broker setup, right? So
Right.
really, after that, it's like I think from module 2 on deals with trading. So they have assessment quizzes at the end.
Yeah.
So the only thing that doesn't have assessment is the indicators and strategies. I'm just wondering if I should do assessments on those as well. You know,
What do you mean assessments? Like a
like their quizzes, so
oh
to see
yeah,
if they
yeah.
understand what they're actually supposed to be doing. The other
Right.
thing is, I don't know if this is good or not. Maybe you could put some thought to it. I set it up so that they can't move on to module 2 or 3 without finishing module 2. Module 4 without passing module 3. You understand what I
Yeah.
mean? I
Yeah.
don't know if that's cool or not. You know what I mean? But I think it would help them by not letting them skip over if they don't
Yeah.
understand something.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I think on one hand, I think that's a good idea. On the other hand, you might lose people there.
Yeah. And I guess the people that we lose, fuck them, because if they're not serious enough to pass the test, and the tests aren't hard, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then they're not serious traders anyway. Those are the ones that are looking for the elite algo Lamborghini results, overnight. I'm only at 130 for the night.
I am 150 negative.
Okay.
I can't keep doing this. I can't keep having red sessions. Got
You play guitar,
this?
don't you?
I mistreat the guitar. What do you think about Colbert getting his show taken away from him?
I mean, that's just politics, right?
Yeah.
Just politics. I'm telling you,
That's the-
man, we getting ready to go into a Hitlerville.
I know it.
You know what I mean?
He's
But
got
you
the
can't
number one show.
criticize somebody, right?
I
You
know.
can't criticize somebody without losing your show.
Messed up.
And you know what's funny is, I think it was Colbert, or was it Jimmy Kimmel? It might have been both of them. Yeah, I think it was both of them actually. And somebody else. Did you see the thing with the interview with Elon Musk?
Uh-oh.
They were around like this round table type thing, and Elon Musk was saying something about political views and blah blah blah. And he said, "Well, how would you feel if I bought the station, right,
Mm-hmm.
and close all these shows down, right?"
Mm-hmm.
And they were like, "What? That wouldn't be cool, you know."
Mm-hmm.
And you could see that he was kind of serious. In other words, saying, "Stop talking about Trump, or I'll buy the station and fire all of your asses."
Right. Right.
He said that in like a very not so what's the word? Um what's the word I'm looking for? Put it like this, it wasn't subtle. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Said it overtly. Yeah.
Overtly. He was being very like, this is what I'll do, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, that's legal. I mean, companies. The only thing that the right to free speech is for the government. The government can't do anything against you, but
Right.
private
Well,
company has the right to shut you down.
yeah, but we get all our news from the same companies,
Yeah.
owned by the same people.
Yeah, that's the problem.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's what difference does it make if now they're gonna take they own all of the shows that Colbert and all these people, you know,
Yeah.
you know what I mean. So it's
Yeah.
like it's Nazi Germany, really. You know, you're gonna get everything's gonna be Fox News now.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I can't say you know what I mean. Stop saying that shit.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna be like, listen, agree with me or You know, he's acting like he's leader of North Korea.
Yeah,
You know, you
yeah,
get thrown in jail for saying something bad about him.
yeah,
And now they're talking about all the stuff they're finding out that the Obama administration did behind the scenes and that Hillary did and blah, blah, blah. And it's like, yeah, they probably did because they were all assholes. But it's not something that you didn't do. You know what I mean? Like, they all
yeah.
do it. They all do the shit. The only problem is he's stupid enough to let us know that they're doing it.
I need to look into that more. I really don't. I'm not sure I believe that Obama did anything, of the sort.
Yeah. I was just watching a TV show. What the hell was it? Let me think about it for a second. Oh, it's a movie called The Amateur with the guy Rami who played Freddie Mercury. You know what I'm
Yeah,
talking about? Yeah.
yeah.
You know he is, right?
Yeah, what about that guy?
He's in a movie called The Amateur, right? His
Oh,
wife dies. I won't give you the movie away because you're probably going to want to watch it.
uh-huh.
But the point I'm making was he works for the CIA, and the CIA is doing things that the head of the CIA don't even know that they're doing. Therefore, the president don't even know. You know what I mean? But it's happening
Yeah,
on their watch, which
uh-huh.
means is if it happens on your watch, you did
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's possible that things were done on Obama's watch that Trump can
yeah.
point out and say Obama did it, even
Right,
though technically he didn't do it,
right.
but he did it. And
Yeah, yep.
what a world, man. Before Trump is done, he's going to burn it all down.
Yeah. Sad. It's sad.
But you know what's even sadder? They're doing it with the pretense that Vance will be the next president after Trump,
Yeah,
and therefore he can be pardoned. But if you look at what's going on, these people that support him are now turning on him big time.
yeah. Well, they want their false narrative more than they like Trump, and if Trump won't keep giving them the false narrative, they'll turn on him.
Right. But I mean, even like the farmers and stuff like that that supported him, that now are going out of business. And, you know, it's just what's going on here. Might have a little fire coming up. Let me see.
I
We
don't
got
know.
97.
Maybe gold's still weaker than the dollar, though.
Yeah. It's like trading like this is not worth the risk. The risk has to be worth the reward. And all you're looking at now is giving back what you took or getting in worse shape than you already are.
Yeah, yeah,
There has to be some kind of payout here for us. Not like you said, you're 100 and what negative?
150.
150 negative to make 30. It doesn't add up. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? It
yeah,
just doesn't add up. What we're going to take $30, $50 trade and lose 150.
yeah. I should have gotten out of that trade earlier. I didn't trust it. I kept
You
staying in
said you
it.
were going to get out at 60, I think it was.
Yeah,
And I probably talked you into staying.
yeah, yeah.
Follow your
Uh,
own gut, man.
that's on me.
It's on both of us. I'll be clearer when I get in because I got in and you got in 2 pips below me. So
Yeah,
maybe I wasn't clear enough when I was getting into my entry.
Yeah, when I say I'm in, then there's the beep and everybody can hear me getting in. Like I'll say
Yeah.
I'm in, beep. So you should probably say I'm in now or something like
Right.
that.
Okay.
All right, 1 minute for the 8:30.
My Aura Ring has not been connecting lately. I don't know what the heck's going on.
Well, it reminds me, mine just gave me an alert that I have to recharge it. I'll do that now. Okay, that's 8:30. We're back up at the WM4,
Okay.
which is also the point of control. we're coming back down here.
Okay. Might have
Take
a sell here. Yeah.
Nope. I take it you didn't get in.
No. Not yet. You're in?
Yeah, I'm 70 negative.
You still in it?
Yeah. Took 40.
Nice. Trying to go down. We'll take a sell. I'm in.
We're hitting a swing low right there on the 10-second.
Yeah, I should have did it. Paying him now. I don't have a swing low on the 10-second. Oh, I see it now.
Are you on 10-second spot or futures?
Spot.
Then you probably don't see your sell appear on TradingView.
No, I'm in the chart. I'm looking at spot, but I'm actually on future sell, so I do see it.
Oh, okay.
I forgot that we can actually trade on TradingView and see our stuff
Yeah.
because it's futures. I'm out.
How much did you lose
That
on
was
that?
$100.
Oh,
So I'm $20 up for the night now.
I'm 110 down.
I just realized that this Aura Ring tracks your location. Did you know that?
Yeah. Only if it's connected to your phone.
Yeah, I mean, it is,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So hold up. If my phone is at home
If your
and
phone's at home and you go somewhere with your ring, it doesn't know where you are.
oh, it doesn't.
Yeah.
I was about to say kidnapping is becoming harder and harder.
Yep. Yep. When I'm in a foreign country, yeah, never mind. I'm not going to say that on YouTube.
They got log your mills now. I didn't know any of that. I will look at this in a minute. I guess that's it for tonight, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull through until 9:05, 9:10, but if nothing happens, I'm out too.
Yeah, I'm not gonna close with a loss, so I'm done.
Yeah. All right.
I'll be in
catch
at
you.
7:30.
Yep. I'm gonna
All right.
start I'm gonna start getting up a little earlier and prepare those that analysis video.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll have it ready to start at 7:30.
So you're gonna send that out every morning?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. I'm using well, we'll talk about it offline.
Yeah.
Talk
Good.
about it offline. All right.
All right.
All right. See ya.
You got it,
Have a good
man.
night.
Peace, you too.
All right. So it's not looking like a lot is happening. I'd like to take a little sell here if it can move down with a little bit of conviction, but it would not be an A setup. So also I see that we are in a support zone on the 1 hour chart. So I'm thinking even, yeah, I mean, it is moving down with a little more conviction than it was a moment ago. I'm just not liking what I'm seeing. It really just has nowhere to go without running into some serious support or some serious resistance. We've got another 10 minutes before we hit the hourly candle at 9 o'clock. So that will be something we're paying attention to. But again, I don't think it's really for us to trade. Okay. Come on down. But we see we have parity here between the strength in the dollar and the strength of gold. Just not really showing us anything to trade right now. Three minutes for the 9 o'clock candle, so we might be getting a little pre-move here to the downside. We are showing some weakness in gold again. See if we can push through this swing low here. Got some clear downside to go there. We've got some ways to go here. So let's see if we can get through this. Can it do it? Not looking like it. Not looking like it. A little bit of a fake out there. Little bit of a fake out. I'd like to see it come back down. Okay, we have 1 minute for the 9 o'clock candle. Let's see if we get anything going on. Got about 30 seconds left to go. And it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9 o'clock. Excuse me, I had to mute my microphone there so I could sneeze. Goodness. All right, we are not seeing anything really happen here. No decisive 9 o'clock move. So I think we will call it. It's a good time for the broker to log me out randomly. Don't know why that happens. That happened to me once in the middle of a trade not very long ago. Very frustrating. Fortunately, I didn't lose any, but I ended up sacrificing some gains that I would have made had the broker not logged me out. All right, fake out, a lot of volatility here in this small range. Just not safe to trade. It's not about riding the bull with the rodeo. Not tonight. Okay. Don't want to go yet. It's still looking like a fake out to me. Dollar's been pushing up a bit in this session, just a little bit. Yields have been coming down a little bit in this session, just a little bit. So kind of opposite moves there. Back to the 10-second. Donald Trump posting truth posts about firing Thomas Massie. Yeah. All right. It's not picking a direction. Any trade I would make right now would be gambling. We don't gamble. So I think this is where we call it a night. And we come back tomorrow morning bright and early. Okay. That'll do it. Gonna end the session for tonight. Thanks everyone for dropping by. And I will catch you tomorrow morning, bright and early at 7:30 a.m. Probably just a bit before, as we get the session briefing published up on YouTube and sent out to our Zoom room participants. Have a good night. Oh, wait a minute. Right before we leave, is this going to come down and give us the move we were hoping for? Let's stick around for just a minute and see. I'm going to say probably not. Let's go on, I'll get in. Not much momentum. It's not going to give me much, if anything. Probably another little fake out here. What you gonna do? Oh, coming right into a swing low on the 5-second chart. So might be bouncing back up before it gives me anything on the downside. Let's see. Yeah, not a great trade. If you haven't gotten in, I don't recommend that you get in behind me. It might end up paying me a little something, but I would say the chances are 50-50 at this point. There's a little something, gave me, oh, there's 10. I'll just take the 30. I took the 30. It would have given me about 50 or 60 there. I didn't stick around for it. I didn't like the price action. Good on you if you didn't get in on that. That was not a great trade, but it wasn't a bad one to end the night on. So I took $30 on that across all of my accounts, which still puts me down $80 for the session. So not a great session, but I did trade it clean. I followed all of my rules. I don't know what time was that. That was about 9:09. That was a sell. It was an A setup without a lot of momentum. It went 30 against me before paying me 30. All right. That's all we're going to do tonight, boys and girls, I think. Let's just start showing some more conviction on the way down here. I guess we'll stick around for just a little bit longer. We break the swing low here on the 1 minute. Below here, there could be a good trade. Let's see it get below that. Now you'd think we broke the low here. This might be a good trade here, right? If we were just looking at the 10-second chart on futures, we'd say that might be a good trade. But look, it gets below there and it's jerking around. And we have this swing low right below here where price bounced from there once. That was around 8 minutes after, or 7 minutes after 8. Okay, here we are again. See if it bounces from here or if we've got a little more momentum to the downside. We are getting a little bit of a strength differential between the dollar and gold. Not much, but more than we've had all evening. We're getting more of an indication that price wants to keep coming down. So let's see if we want to get in. Okay, I'm in. I'm in again. Oh no, I'm 140 against me at this point. This is bad. This is bad. This was a fake out. It bounced. Let's see if we have enough selling pressure to bring it back down. Not quite ready to get out, but this is kind of where I would be getting out if it didn't it weren't showing a little bit more selling pressure. It was nicer to think about ending the session on the previous trade. Oh, the Renko's doing here. I do think it will come back down, but I don't know if it's going to go back up before it comes back down. And that would be, too painful for me to stay in it beyond right there, I think. This is where I should be exiting. Says it wants to come back down. Showing signs of it, but I don't really trust it very much. Okay. Okay. I'm staying in this too long. It's well beyond my hot stove exit. I need to make a decision here. I think I'll let it come back down a little bit if it's going to, because it will at least let me out with with less than such a painful loss. Let's see. This was a bad trade. Don't recommend anyone be in this trade or the previous one I took. At this point, I should have ended the session previously. Okay. Now where I'm going to get out. Moving down with some decisiveness. Just continue that. Continue that little push through there. Come on back down. Come on. We're back at this swing high on the 1 minute, which is keeping it from coming down. On the other hand, it did get down here before. Nothing has fundamentally changed in the market. Now, if it can come down here to let me out at about $100 loss, you know, I'll take it. Hell, I'll take this right here too. This is the best I can get. It seems like it might be. Come on down. Okay. Getting close to that $100 loss. 90. 80. It comes. Comes. Nice and slowly. Now it doesn't have to be slowly. If it wants to come down, it can just rock it down for all I care. Okay, chat, I'm going to take the 170. Come on. Come on back. Come on back. This has no merit in my, I am holding and hoping. This is turned into a holding and hoping situation, not a good situation to be in. Unless it comes down here, breaks through this. I should probably just take this loss if it turns around here and starts heading back up. $50, $70. Take the $50 loss, Mike. Come on, bring it back down. Bring it back down. Thing is, you just don't know what it wants to do. I think at this stage, $150 loss is probably, I would have been happy with it. Let's give it one more shot. What the hell's Trump tweeting about now? Shut up, Trump. The only thing he does is drive the gold price up. Okay. I'm going to take the 180 loss. Come on down. 60, 70, 160, 150. Come on, keep coming. 150. $150. 120. 110. 90. Come on. All right. I'm just going to take the 150 loss. All right, I took the 150 loss. I would have been better off not staying in that trade. Okay. There it comes. Pay me out.